guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be making some transferable labels for Valentine's Day. I want to make some candy jars to give out to either my kids or my daycare kids. Probably not my daycare kids for the glass ones, but I just wanted to show you how I'm going to make them. So these are the two glass jars that I will be using. This video is part of a challenge hosted by Lisa from Lisa Birmingham and Mama Does Life. They are hosting a useful DIY challenge. So I will have both of their channels linked down below, as well as the challenge playlist. So make sure you check them out. So I thought this would be a perfect time to make these because it is a useful DIY. So you will need, like I said, I'm using two glass jars. You can use as many as you want. Then printable labels. I will have these free labels. I will have these as well as some other ones on my blog, so you can check them out, print them free by checking my blog out, which will be linked down below. Then you need either a credit card or a spoon. I am using the little Pampered Chef's scraper because I have them, but you don't need to. You can use an old card like a credit card or a library card or whatever you have. I got some candies here, a bowl of water, and I'm using some ribbon, and then you'll need a pair of scissors and packing tape and a flat surface. I am just using my cutting mat. So we are going to get started now. So the first thing that you want to do is cut out these labels as close to the lettering as you can. So now that I have them cut out, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tape and I'm going to tape it over the letters, and you want the letters to face the sticky side. Now I'm going to cut off the unnecessary tape that's not on anything. So again, cut it as close as you can. And now I'm going to take my card and put lots of pressure on it, and I think this process is called rubbing it, I guess, or it's to burnish the label is what this is called. And the more pressure you apply, the more the letters will transfer. So I think that's good. Now I'm going to put it in the water and leave it there for about 5 minutes. And now I'm going to repeat it for the next label. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes, so I'm going to take this one out and see how hard it is to rub off. So what you do is you just gently rub your finger. You don't want to rub too hard over it. And if the white stuff isn't coming off as good as you would like it to, stick it back in the water for a couple more minutes. I think I'm going to stick mine a little bit more, just these little edges aren't really coming off very well. So another minute. Okay. And the printer that I used for my labels was a laser printer. I just ripped it. That's okay. I'll I'll add it together. I'll put it together. Is a laser printer, but I'm pretty sure inkjet will work too. So I'm gonna let this dry. I'm gonna work on the other one. So this one's coming off a lot easier, and I wonder, this is a bit better quality tape because I used a different tape for this one, and I wonder whether that's, I bought them at the dollar store. It's not like I bought it anywhere else, but it's a Scotch brand, whereas the other one was like a no-name brand, so that might play a part on it too. So I'm gonna let these dry before I put them back. While those are drying, I'm going to get my jars ready. So I just have these Chit Chat candies. They're the ones that have like the hug me kind of like different wording on them. Totally you do with two packages to fill it. Might have to go get some more. And then you I pre-cut the ribbon, measured it out and pre-cut it. And this ribbon came from Michael's, and I just had it left over from a different project. And then for the second container, I have cinnamon hearts. Just going to add my ribbon. I'll put it off to the side so the latch can still work. Okay. And now I'm gonna check on see if they're dry. They're almost there. So let me show you how simple this is. Can you see that? And it sticks on fairly well. I think it would be easier if it was a flat surface. So I'm gonna do this one. So what I would suggest with the other one is to cut it as close as you can to the letters, so that way you don't have the bubbles, because this one's much easier to work with than the other one. But the other one, the letters were bigger and the surface was a lot rounder. This is the one I ripped, so I'm just trying to connect it. So there you go. I think they look fabulous. If you put them on a white surface, they look even better. And I also made a container for my pancake mix. And they're smooth, like I don't even feel them. I think they turned out really good. So I would like to thank Lisa and Mom Does for hosting this this challenge. I truly enjoy participating in it, and I hope you guys check both of their channels out as well as the playlist. And if you're brand new to my channel, I would love for you to press that subscribe button, stick around, press the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my new uploads. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.